right there. See where the sun's going down. Not too far from going down. One way to tell. If you can always get that, I know it's next to dark almost, but still. You can always get the west sun going down. I just thought about that song right there. It's crazy. But yeah, sun's going down in the west. So that means south. And then right behind me, east, where this double band tree is right here with the woodpecker's house is in it. East, and that's north. You like, well, we know how to read a compass. But anyhow, that's one way to always tell. Be like, man, I ain't gonna wait all the way to dark to find out which way is northeast, southwest, and all that stuff. Anyhow, I gotta keep quiet because I'm out here in bear territory. And never know. Anyhow, right now the sun, look at it. Look at it peeking through the tree at me. It's like he's saying, we'll be seeing you tomorrow now, Cousin Willie. Cousin Willie, we'll see you tomorrow. Won't be long. Yeah, there's the zoom up on here. Oh yeah, you can see that pretty good. There's woodpecker home right there. And these are highly protected. Very, very highly protected. There's my vehicle at the bottom of the hill right now. We're going to go down to the bottom and show y'all some deer tracks right quick. That and I'm having to watch where I'm walking because the eastern diamondback is bad up here. Well, I've only seen like one. Like 29 years of coming up here. I always watch right there, the spider web, see it? So I'll just walk around him, let him get where he can catch him a bug. So right before dark, the day was humid. Yesterday was pretty cool, about the low 70s. Today was about 82, humid. So the snakes come out when it's cooler. I'm gonna walk down here near the truck and show y'all some deer tracks. I'm not using my gimbal, which I should be, but it would have took me a little bit to set up. And if I would have set it up, dark would have been on me pretty well. There's buck tracks. Now you'll notice the toes with a hoof spread apart. And usually a buck walk their back hoof step in the right one. But you'll notice, see how it's spread apart? That's a buck right there. A doe. A doe is more, I want to say more like, more like that right there. Where, if you're ever out in the woods, I'm just telling you, sometimes you're going to see a indents in the dirt like this right here, and that's the dew claw like, I want to say. I'm just drawing this one here. That would be a buck, and that would be a doe. Just anybody want to, if you go out in the wilds and You never did know that, now you ought to know. And he walked off this way. You see it spread right there too. He always stepped, the back foot stepped in the other one, the hoof did. This one, the hoof stepped in there. It went off this way. Look how thick that is right there. Pretty thick. But over here some thick forest and there's water, you know. So that's pretty well where he's at. Bedding down. And he's like, listen to that dummy out there. I'm not coming out at all. As long as he's out there. But yeah, y'all saw another double banded one. There's the one we just came from. They're all over this forest. They're really highly protected. Get this mushroom out. Have to get a picture of that. Now at the west. So I'm seeing it sitting in the west where I'm at. North, north, south, east is behind me. Right, check me out another time. Hope everyone has a blessed day. I wish I had my gimbal right now, but I don't. Check these mushrooms out. And you always got little flowers. We're not far from fall. This the Macadas, locusts. I've always called them locusts. We used to you'd find them on the side of a tree, side of a pine tree, where they shed their shells and all. And we used to, back in the days when I was much younger, we'd stick them onto our shirts playing around. I don't have one to show y'all though. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off of here and take some of these pictures. And we will see y'all next time. Listen to that. Turkey. That's a turkey or something mimicking it. I do know of stuff mimicking turkeys and other animals. Straight through there. Now, I'm like 8 miles up in the forest, in the middle of nowhere. I haven't seen not one soul all day long. Because where I'm at. But that was a turkey. It sounded almost like a frog too. But it was a turkey. Or either, like I said, something mimicking it. Okay, I'm gonna hop over here. I'm gonna hop over here and take some pictures of these mushrooms before it gets too dark. One thing I always do when I come out in the forest somewhere else like that, I bring not one, but I got several headlamps, several types of flashlights. It just, list goes on. You want to have water, food, everything like that there. Just in case, you never know if you might break down or something crazy might happen, and you just get stranded out there. But y'all look back on this video. I just saw something move right through the woods right over yonder. I don't know if I caught that on the camera. Something way over yonder. Way through yonder. It moved, I want to say to the right, going to the right. I don't see no movement right now though. Over here, where we heard that at. Okay, y'all hold in there. We're going to walk past the truck here up on this hill. This small little hill here goes down in the gully. And we're going to see if we see anything. I don't see nothing. But y'all let me know if y'all see anything. Any movement or whatever. Now see, here's the thing. The smart thing to do, if it was something that was like praying after me, you know what I'm saying? The smart thing to do is it would wait for me to move, then it would take its movement. It's going to stay still right now. If it was, whatever it is, it's going to stay still until I make my movement, and then it'll make its movement a little further, you know what I'm saying? That's my bolts. Turkey call. I see it right there. I just done that with my mouth. Wish I did have a turkey call right now. Hold up. To my left. Right there, yonder. Just heard it. I just heard a noise right there, yonder. Hoping I got that on camera. Yeah, it's right to the right. It's right through there. I might make these noises again, see if I can. Sound almost like a squirrel. They're like, something's wrong with that turkey. If these are turkey, what you think it is? There's a giant mosquito around me right now, too. They're like, that turkey don't sound right. He must be sick. Uncle Willie, Cousin Willie, thinking he's sick. I thought I saw something right through yonder. Y'all tell me if y'all seen anything on this. Hope I caught it on video. Thought I saw something. We just had a turkey call. I ain't turkey hunting or nothing, but I'm just out here. Hold up. What is it? There it goes. Right to there. That would be crazy if there's someone over there with a turkey call actually doing that. I might need to put my orange on. Because somebody might be out of season turkey hunting or some crap. Some mess. You want to watch, you know. I can always keep my orange with me too. Everywhere you go, you can use orange, blaze orange for so much stuff. Like, if you get stranded, if you got all black or camo on or something, nobody ain't gonna see you. They ain't gonna see you right. Well, if you throw out that blaze orange, they gonna find you more better, you know. It was right over there. Is where I heard it. Oh, I'd love to get you a glimpse of whatever it was. Some people's like, I don't know if you want to catch a glimpse of that or not. It depends on what it is, Cousin Willie. got that on camera. That sound I'm saying. Yeah, I can hear the noise way off. There's some more further off. But one thing you don't want to do is pull out a phone when mosquitoes are around. Mosquitoes they're attracted to any type of light like that. Them phones put off. I got a few more around me. I was checking out something on my phone. But I'm gonna drive up this way and see what I see. Y'all hold in there. Okay, we're back. I drove up in here a little ways. Somewhere up this way we heard that noise. I'm going to mimic it myself and see if I can get a response back. Sound like turkeys do. But like I said, I've heard of things mimicking turkeys and stuff. Air helicopter. I thought I had that on pause. I hear a mosquito around my left ear too. Sound like the helicopter's to my right. It is somewhere to the right over there. Been out hiking today. It's getting so dark right now. I don't know. And turkeys could have roosted at night just like a chicken or whatever, you know. They got a roost too, so sometimes you're gonna hear them make that noise before they go on roost. Let's walk up here and see if I see any tracks on this sand. Right along now, it's like that song comes to your mind like you always feel like someone is watching me. And there's a stick of mosquito. Mine's behind me. They're behind me, behind my vehicle. Listen to them go at it. I'm hoping I get this on film, on audio at least is what I'm talking about. Let's check something here. Let me take up my flashlight right quick. Found some bobcat tracks put there. Some bobcat tracks. And it's going that way. I know they sound like a little child making a noise. They can mimic a child, actually. I grew up a lot of my life was in the woods. So there's the tracks right here. He's going this way, going behind me. Here's some more better tracks. That's another coyote right there. Big coyote. Hear that? Right over that way right there. That way right there. These are some good flashlights to have. Signal for help, and then you got the SOS mode. He's back that way. It'd be cool if I look back and seen something on the video. I'm gonna go from this spot because the mosquitoes getting bad. About ready for fall because I don't have to worry about mosquitoes. Listen, they're way off. They're way off that way now. Okay. Yeah, these mosquitoes are getting really bad. They honed in on me. My body heating on. So I'm gonna get out of here. I heard a whippoorwill, quail, whatever you want to call it, to my left. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. I hope y'all had enjoyed this short video. See y'all next time. Outdoors Adventures and Survival. See y'all next time. Love yourself, love one another.